Hi, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston, Mare. Just thought I'd take a minute to walk around this 2015 Peugeot Partner Tepee Automatic Wheelchair Accessible Vehicle we have with us at the moment. So this particular one's very low miles, only done 8,500 miles from new. So one owner car, ex-Motability, so it comes with a full service history. It was converted by Allied Vehicles and has seating for 3 plus a wheelchair passenger, space for your mobility scooter. So that consists of 2 seats up the front, and you've got your 3rd chair in the rear. Length on these are about 140 centimetres, width is about 80 centimetres, which narrows alongside that seat to about 70 centimetres. It also comes with a winch. That's what you can see there in the centre with a yellow ribbon and the 2 little carabiners. There's a little remote control back here, which obviously can really help as you load in the wheelchair. Ramp wheels on the back, lightweight ramp, so I can just lift that up one-handed. This little top piece will actually fold over as well, so it can help with the through vision, so you don't just, when you're driving it, look out the rear view mirror and just see a ramp. Also has a full flat function on it. I'll just show you that quickly. So there you go, you do get a bit of a boot floor there. Come in handy. Also has rear parking sensors. So the little black dot is there. So there's one either side. Also has privacy glass, so it keeps it a little bit more private and a little bit cooler in the summer months. And there's your 3rd chair there in the rear. Show you up the front. Again, as you'd expect for 8,500 miles. It's all lovely and clean and tidy. The nice thing with these automatic ones, they are £30 a year road tax. So you've got LED running lights as well in the bumper. Let's take you around and show you on the driver's side. So there's your miles, 8,513 miles. So your radio CD player. Your air conditioning, your electric mirrors. That little wheel there is all the controls for the automatic. Also has these little paddles on the gear stick, minus and a plus, so you can go up and down the gears there if you wish. It also comes with cruise control. It's got a speed limiter function on it as well. Comes with 2 keys. Actually, there's 3 there. So your traction control and your electric mirrors. So there you have it. If that's of interest, or if you've got any further questions, then please do get in touch. Either give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching.